Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Fiverr account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to delete or deactivate your Fiverr account, then the process is quite simple. Open up a web browser of your choice. Make sure that you are logged into your Fiverr account. Type in www.fiverr.com in the search bar and perform your search. Make sure that you are also logged into your account that you'd like to delete. Once you are, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your profile icon. Before deleting your account, you must know that you won't be able to close your account if you have any funds available on your account. So withdraw your balance before you begin deletion. Remember that it won't be possible to create a new Fiverr account using the same email address in the future. So if you ever decide to create a new Fiverr account, then you must have a different email address that you've never used before. Once you're inside the main homepage, click on your profile icon at the upper right hand corner and click on the settings button from the expanded menu. From this page, scroll down until you see this account deactivation option. It'll tell you what will happen when you deactivate your account. Your profile and gigs won't be able to show up in your Fiverr account anymore. Any active orders will be cancelled and you won't be able to reactivate your gigs ever again if you delete your account. Select the reason why you are choosing to leave your Fiverr account and click on the deactivate account button. Once you do that, you'll end up in the main homepage of Fiverr, which means you have successfully deleted your Fiverr account. Pretty easy, isn't it? That is how you can easily delete or deactivate your Fiverr account if you don't want to use it anymore. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.